Hey everyone, long time no see. Sorry I haven't been posting nearly as much as I wanted to this summer. So today I'm going for a walk in the Arboretum. This is actually on the one side, and we are going to explore the area. So I think the last time I recorded, I believe I did, I was walking the main path for the most part, closer to the water. But now I'm actually walking further back. And we're going to explore some of the area. I don't know how many videos I'm going to do. I am planning on doing a live on another platform. And that's going to be a little later. So if you're on the TikTok, feel free to drop by. I might be live by that point. I might not be. I'm not sure. My lives are always a little scattered. I never really know when I'm going to be on. See, actually, I never went down that small path that I was on. It's nice that you can actually go around the little swamp area. It is a Sunday, so it's probably going to be a little busier today. And it is around, what time is it? It is 10:30 in the morning. Just remember, it is in the middle of the city, so there are a lot of people here. So that's the main path there. But we're going the other way today. It is extremely bright, not a cloud in the sky. And the temperature is actually going up today. Feels like in the lower 20s right now. I think today is supposed to go up to 28. And that's unusual for October. There is one path there, but I'd rather pass on that. Looks like there's quite a few people. But there is another path. I could go up. So, pump house. Probably where they go to help drain and fill the canal. Ah, shade, that feels nice. I see a lot of leaves on the ground. We are now in fall, even though it doesn't feel like it. But the times of days have changed. You can tell that it is getting darker earlier. So if I see a path, I will go up, hoping that it's not going to be super busy. Colors are changing very slowly here. They are changing, but there's still a lot of green. I think the last time I walked here, it was spring. There were a lot of flowers. So complete opposite of what it was the last time I came. Yeah, this is the one path that I wanted to go down. Look at that tree. I think that changed a lot more since the last time I was here. I did do a live the last time. It's one of my first ones, so it wasn't too popular at the time. I'm a lot more active on there. I post like almost 2 to 3 times daily, depending on the footage that I had in the past little while. Look at all the leaves that's fallen. Sorry if it's a little crooked. My phone holder is a little loose, so it might get a little crooked. So this actually goes up to the parking lot. So I'm gonna go this way. This also goes to the parking lot, but it also goes to the lookout. It's a really nice view. So here is the beautiful view
I'm not sure I want to support the tendency, so I might refuse to come.
of the Arboretum, as well as the city.
We don't try. Life makes us.
For the people that used to live here, you might notice that there are newer buildings up. They've been really building up Carlton U. So now there's actually an above ground parking, as well as at least 1 to 2 buildings that you can see from here. Which is around over here. I can't really see the screen very well, but I think it's around here. Really, really beautiful out here. You can really see the colors now. So I'm gonna cheat and probably go along this way. That little lonely tree all by itself, but there's a lot of surrounding trees everywhere. One of the best things about this city, we try and keep the nature. However, they have been building a lot up. Okay, so I'm gonna stay on here because cars do go up this road. I'm actually going to go down a different path that I haven't been down before. Well, it's very angled on the grass. So. So right now we're right by the road. This is how the people get in and out. One time I do remember coming here was in the winter. A long time ago with my sister and my parents. I believe we went tobogganing here. I think it was actually the hill right by the parking area, but that's a long time ago, so I can't quite remember if it was here or another hill in the city. My parents actually do watch this, so they'll probably verify where we actually went tobogganing. I believe it was here where it was opened, but I could be wrong because I was the younger of the bunch. Nice bench out here to look out. A lot of dogs being brought around. So I'm gonna go down this way. Get away from the noise pollution. Nice yellow tree there. See the red tree way over there now. That's where we were. I'm gonna try and maybe do this video all the way through here. Maybe do one big video and see how that goes. There's a tree. A cockspur, spur, hawthorn. But I noticed something in one of the trees here. See if I can see. Oh, yep. That is some sort of hive. Right there. See if I can zoom in. That's a big hive. I know there's probably been bigger. So we're gonna keep on going. Another path. That was probably the further path that we could have gone down. But I'm going to continue down this way and head towards another area. Just have to remember where the path starts to get in there. You'll know what I mean when I get there. Geese are heading out. Yeah, I'm gonna go back on the main path. Well, you can really tell If this was smell-o-vision, you can kind of tell that we're close to the experimental farm. Because I can smell manure. Did I miss that path? It's really hard to tell if I did. If I did, I will probably stop the video and start a new one in there. Squeakers. Oh no, I think this is it. Yes. Wildlife garden. Got a lot of fresh trees planted. Really nice to see. Honestly, I should have worn shorts or something. I'm overheating. So a little burr patch. You do not want to get close to those. It's really thick. Nice hill. Goes over there. Oh, you know what? I didn't go through here before. See where it goes. I like actually walking through less used paths. And it's a lot cooler in here too. Oh, this is really nice. A lot of cedar trees or pine trees. There's cedars. Yeah, I'm probably not going to go too far. Well, let's go this way. Off the beaten path. Oh, I see a squirrel. Hey, squirrely. Don't worry, I'm not going to be here long. Okay, so it's like a four-way path system here. Squirrels are really active trying to get their share of the nuts, the tree nuts. So I'm going to go this way. Oh, someone's coming down from that way, so let's go another way. And go this way. At least we have 4 options. Oh, looks like you can go around to the other path. I think a nut almost fell and scared one of the visitors. Gonna circle a little bit and go backtrack. Back this way. When it's mild, there are quite a bit of bugs. Oh, there's my shadow. I would love to show you all of it, but unfortunately this is gonna take like all day, I think, to show every little nook and cranny of the Arboretum. Oh, this talks about the bees, or the wasp, the paper wasp, lovely. If you wanna read it, go ahead and pause. Yeah, I think this is going back the way I came. Yeah, I am gonna go turn around and go, oh yes, this is the path. This is another path, a little off the beaten path. Nice little spot. I did explore this before, so I roughly remember some areas. Oh, let's go this way. Yeah, probably the next time I come down this way, it will be probably either late winter or early spring. Because I doubt people will shovel back here. A little notice about the different wildlife and the greenery, flowers. This one about the apples, the different types. Apples and crab apples. Didn't realize some of the smaller ones aren't cherries. They are more of a form of a crab apple. Okay. Apples are the 3 largest on the left. The rest are varieties of crab apples. Okay. And go down this way. So this is a farm of crab apple. Very small ones. Little chipmunks running around. Been seeing so many this year, especially in our backyard. Oh, basically just went around full circle. Some working bees. Getting the last of the pollen. There's 3 of them here. Well, I saw a 4th one fly off. Bees, I don't mind. We need them. Okay, so I'm gonna go back this way. There's probably more back the other way, but I won't do that today. There's so much to see. Such a big area to walk around in. Oh, little bird. Then go down this way. Some people don't like to follow the signs. There's 2 signs that says no dogs in the pond. One dog started drinking from it. A tiny little waterfall. And the water has been pretty low. Not a lot of rain. You can tell by the lily pads. I think those are lily pads. Sensitive area. No dogs in the pond. Okay, I think we're gonna stop here. This video has run a little long. And I was thinking about going live. So if you enjoy this type of content, nature walks, what have you, I got a lot of shorts as well around neighborhoods. Feel free to subscribe and like the video. And if you're interested in more content, then come to TikTok. I'm actually under Spiritual Walker. I used to be Constant Walker, but now it's Spiritual Walker. And I will see you all in the next one. Bye, guys.